It means to make the blockchain more available. However, what is Toncoin? We should find out what we can figure it out. And furthermore investigate a portion of the Toncoin cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 19th of December 2022. Toncoin made sense of. In the realm of cryptographic money, the blockchain is top dog. Without this decentralized record, the universe of crypto as far as we might be concerned today wouldn't exist. With the thought being that the blockchain permits individuals' security, it is maybe little shock that tech associations which advance encryption check out this thought. One such stage is the wire informing application. Consequently, in 2018, the news that Message was to make its own blockchain, called Wire Open Organization, could not have possibly been an over-the-top amazement. All things considered, Wire's underlying plan, which would have involved a local token called Gram, was restricted by the U.S. Protections and Trade Commission in WOC 2020. The SEC said that the deals of the advanced token would comprise protections contributions with no enrollment exception accessible. After this, Wire authoritatively abandoned the venture, yet two of its engineers were available to, something like possibly, make all the difference. Anatoly Makasov and Emelianenko assumed control over the improvement of Ton through an open-source local area called Newton. In something like a year, the local area casted a ballot to completely send off and renamed the Newton People Group as the Open Organization Establishment. To cite to the undertaking's white paper, the Open Organization is a quick, secure, and versatile blockchain and network project, equipped for taking care of millions of exchanges each second if essential, and both easy to understand and specialist co-opus well disposed. The People Group drove Project Means to convey a profoundly adaptable blockchain network that can cycle exchanges less expensive and quicker than different organizations, like Ethereum. It likewise plans to form the organization into an environment that can give decentralized capacity, mysterious organization, space name framework, moment installments, and different administrations. Each blockchain needs to have its own local crypto, and the Open Organization has the Toncoin, likewise realized by its ticker handle of Ton. This coin is utilized to work with exchanges, for example, compensations for marking and approving on the organization. This is significant on the grounds that the Open Organization utilizes a proof-of-stake agreement instrument. This implies that individuals can add blocks to the blockchain and acquire compensations for doing so in light of the amount Ton they hold. Individuals can likewise decide on changes to the organization, with the heaviness of their vote again founded on the amount Ton they hold. Ton cost history. We should now project our eyes over the Ton cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, knowing what the crypto has done in the past can assist with giving us some valuable setting with regards to one or the other making or deciphering a Toncoin cost forecast. Toncoin went in habit 41 cents on the 26th of August 2021 and saw consistent development in its initial not many months, which prompted its biggest breakout to date. Ton soared to its unequaled high of $5.84 on the 12th of November 2021. This followed a marking occasion that was controlled by the OKX digital money trade. A sum of 1 million Ton were available for anyone in its award pool for those marking the OKB token. Toncoin later uncovered that more than 4.2 million tokens were associated with the occasion, making Toncoin the best digital currency of this astonishing project. Be that as it may, in the wake of topping again at $5 on the 25th of December 2021, Ton at last fell alongside the 2022 bear market and lost its past editions over time. Be that as it may, it began acquiring again in September 2022 when the Huobi trade sent off an award pool for Ton merchants. The digital money saw one more flood on the 27th of October 2022 when it arrived at a high of $1.98. This followed the KuCoin trade posting the token on its exchanging bot item. Another decentralized trade under the name STON.fi went live on the 19th of November. In the meantime, the SafePal crypto wallet reported it would coordinate the Ton digital currency soon. And when Wire declared individuals could join without utilizing a SIM card by utilizing Toncoin, the crypto revitalized to hit a high of $2.86 on the 14th of December. By the 19th of December 2022, Ton was exchanging at around $2.65. It had a market cap of just shy of $3.3 billion, making it the 20th biggest crypto by that measurement. Toncoin cost forecast gathered together. It is critical to recollect that cost gauges, particularly with regards to something as possibly unstable as crypto, frequently end up being incorrectly. Likewise, you ought to take note of that some drawn-out digital money value expectations are made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change whenever. Made a fairly downbeat transient Ton crypto cost expectation, proposing that the coin could be valued at $2.67 on the 24th of December prior to sliding down to $2.47 by the 18th of January 2023. The site's specialized examination was in any case bullish, with 25 pointers making positive signs against only one conveying negative ones. Then, had a ton coin cost expectation that said the crypto could average $3.22 this year and $11.50 in 2025. Its Toncoin cost expectation for 2030 said ton could hit $37.88 that year. In the meantime, made a ton cost forecast that said the coin could close 2022 at somewhere close to $3.27 and $3.28 prior to dropping to $3.15 by December 2023. The site then, at that point, made a Toncoin cost expectation for 2025 that saw it start the year at a little underneath $4.59 and close it at about $5.56. At last, had a somewhat hopeful Toncoin cost expectation for 2023, recommending that the coin could arrive at somewhat under $4.49 by December 2023, proceeding to move to $11.49 in 5 years' time. Thusly, investigators and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into cryptographic money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and crucial examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns, and never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. It is difficult to say. While ton has outflanked the market as of late, we couldn't say whether it can keep on doing as such. Regardless of whether it is a wise venture will rely upon your effective money management objectives and portfolio creation. Digital money is an incredibly high-risk speculation and capital will be in danger. You ought to do your own exploration and never contribute what you can't stand to lose. Nobody can truly tell at this moment. While estimates were generally hopeful starting around the 19th of December 2022, cost forecasts frequently turn out to be off base and costs can, and do, go down as well as up. In unstable digital currency markets, it is vital to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether the ton coin is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you plan to contribute, among different variables. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns, and never put away cash that you can't bear to lose. Whether you want to put resources into ton is an inquiry that you should respond to for yourself. Before you do as such, nonetheless, you should lead your own exploration. Never put away more cash than you can bear to lose, in light of the fact that costs can go down as well as up.